We help you upgrade with the game of technology. Reinventing the educational lab into a digital lab. By Precise 3DM.
Digital Manufacturing Lab for Education. Multifunctional 3D Scanner. 3D Reverse Engineering Software. Low-Volume Production 3D Printer. 3D Inspection Software. In one seamless ecosystem.
This is just an example how the Precise 3DM 3D Digital Manufacturing Lab will be. (3D Scanner).
FreeScan UE Scanner.
Integrate 3D scanning in your product development process, modify the design, develop the design strategy from an exciting object, and add your creativity to the existing thing. 3D Reverse Engineering Software. Geomagic Design X is the industry-leading software dedicated to digital reverse engineering applications. A low-volume production 3D printer, Figure 4 standalone. Same day make the product and produce end-use parts directly to perform low volume and mass production of the end product with unique materials. 3D Inspection Software. Geomagic Control X is a 3D metrology software to perform an advanced level of digital measurements and compare it with original CAD. Fix up a demo now for Digital Manufacturing Lab. Contact Precise 3DM.